Annoyed by those pesky ads in Zombie Tsunami? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let me show you how to get rid of them for good. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove ads in Zombie Tsunami. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Zombie Tsunami app and be sure that you're on the main menu of the game. Next, tap on the Remove Ads option in the top left corner. Once you've tapped on the Remove Ads option, you'll be asked to confirm your purchase. You may need to use real money or in-game currency depending on the game's settings. Confirm the payment method and complete the transaction. Once you're done, ads will be permanently removed from your game. That's it. Now you can enjoy Zombie Tsunami without any annoying interruptions. Keep on playing and level up your zombies. And there you have it. No more ads in Zombie Tsunami. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.